Hi, my name is Jacob Morton. My advice to freshmen, or really anyone, I guess, would be put yourself out there, be smart, try new things, anything like that, and don't put yourself on national news twice.
My name's Kaylee, and my senior advice would be to don't procrastinate things and get it done on time.
My name is Lucas Balthrop, and I would say get yourself involved with things throughout the school.
Hi, my name is Ryan Lang, and my senior advice is get out there, and if you don't know what to do, try an internship, and yeah.
My name is Hope Hendricks, and what I would advise people is not to care about what other people think, because people are always going to have something to say, so just do what makes you happy.
I'm Kelly, and some senior advice that I would personally give to other people is to just go with what you want. Don't let others say that you can't do it, and just try to be confident in yourself.